Okay, now we have here molality. Molality is defined to have molality is the moles of solute per kilograms of solvent. Let's have the problem. 4 grams of sodium chloride was dissolved in 350 ml of water. So the 4 grams is the mass of solute, and then the 350 ml is the volume of the solvent. What is the molality? Now, for this case, wala tayong moles na directly, but we could actually compute having that 4 grams. You have to remember that the moles would be computed by mass over molecular weight. So, we are given with the mass, ito yan. So, we have to compute for the molecular weight of sodium chloride. So, palagi, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung ating writing of chemical formulas. Just so happy, if merong mga problems na hindi nagbigay ng molecular formula. Okay? Now, wala rin tayong kilograms of solvent. Ang binigay sa atin ay volume of solvent. But we are given with the density. Okay? Or rather, dapat alam natin that the density of water are usually in 1 gram per ml. So we could assume that at this type of solution, the density of water is 1 gram per ml. Okay? So let's have the next. We are looking for the molarity. Okay. So for us to compute for the number of moles, sabi ko kanina, the moles should be computed by mass of solute over molecular weight. But we don't have molecular weight, kaya ito, nauna nating sinolve si molecular weight of sodium chloride. So sodium chloride will have 1 atom of sodium multiplied by 23 grams per mole. Nakuha ko yan sa periodic table. So the product is 23 grams per mole. Then you have your chlorine. There's only 1 chlorine atom in the sodium chloride multiplied by the atomic weight, 35.45, gamit ang periodic table. The product would be 35.45. After you had taken the individual product for each element, you are now going to add. So, i-add natin yan. And our total would be 58.45 grams per mole. This now will then be your molecular weight of salt. Now, since kanina sabi natin we have mass to be 4 grams, we can then compute our moles of solute by having 4 grams divide this by the recently computed molecular weight, 58.45 grams per mole. So the grams and the grams will be cancelled. Our unit would be moles. Okay, so that would be 0.07 mole of salt. Now, sa ating working problem, meron na tayo, working formula rather, meron na tayong moles of solute, na-compute na natin yan, kilograms na lang ng solvent. Okay, so how are we going to convert the kilograms? Okay, so we have here, bakit pa nung naging 350 grams? Ang binigay kanina ay 350 ml. Okay, so with here, sabi natin, density is equal to mass over volume. So, if we are looking for the volume, or rather for the mass, kasi kailangan natin, at binigyan tayo ng volume, and we had assumed that the density of water is 1 gram per ml, so therefore, the mass could then be computed by having the density times the volume. The density is 1 gram per ml. The volume is multiplied by the volume, which is 350. Sorry. Okay. So times 350 ml. Okay. So the ml and the mls will be cancelled. Okay. So the mass of that water is numerically equal sila 350 grams. Kaya ito yon. Dito tayo. Diyan. 350 grams. But in the formula, kailangan daw na kilogram. Kaya kinonvert natin siya sa kilograms. 0.035 kilograms of water. Now that we have the moles and the kilograms. So we could now compute for the molality. Moles of solute divided by the kilograms of solvent. So yung na-compute natin kanina na moles, okay, just ito. So ito yung moles kanina, 0.7. So that would be 0.7 moles. Divide this by the 0.35 kilograms. Our molality will be 0.2 moles per kilogram, or this one could be simplified. So that would be equal to molal, 0.2 molal, or just simply small letter m. Okay.